Hey everybody, my name is Drew Dixon. I'll be representing U Expert Business Model Canvas, which is actually a company I started while I was in college. So a little bit of background on the company. It's a user experience slash software engineering company that focuses on developing web apps and mobile apps, as well as doing customer research and testing. And it was actually founded with other engineers that were in my class. There were kind of three key components that made us successful. Our value proposition, which was very different than a lot of our competitors. We actually did a lot of extensive customer research. So all our designs and all our development was centered around testing with their actual customers and getting their actual feedback. We had some really strong partnerships as well from our university, the National Science Foundation, as well as some advisors in the community. And we also had a theory of focusing really highly on quality products and in doing that, expecting that marketing and other things would kind of come naturally. So, in terms of the overall story, we operated for about 3 years. We didn't have to market, as I mentioned earlier, because we did a really good job of focusing on high quality products. So, customers would refer other customers, and that kind of went along for a long time. But eventually, that kind of dried up, and we were stuck in a position on, okay, how do we end up getting more clients? And our team wasn't necessarily prepared to market. Long story short, we ended up closing the business. And there was three main reasons that we closed it and that it didn't work out. There was a lot of fluctuating customer demands that we couldn't meet because all our designers and developers were internal. We didn't really hire outside. Our team was very focused on the product quality and not other factors, including efficiency as well as marketing, as I mentioned. And then when it was time to market, our team really wasn't committed to marketing. But I feel like if you have a committed team, you can kind of figure out a lot of things from that regard. So because of that, they ended up developing a new business model canvas that highlights some of the gaps that we struggle with, as well as some of the strong points we had. It was kind of four key main areas. The first being having a better partnership established. So marketing with key influencers, having consulting partners that are internal and external, and then also having strong counsel like mentors. Value proposition is a little different this time. I think having a more boutique style service for the web designers would be better instead of having them have to fluctuate their time based on the customers, allow them to pick their schedule. And then for consumers, they get really highly skilled designs and professional services. And then the customer segment will just be centered around small businesses, freelancers, and then web designers looking to offload marketing and operations. And then in terms of revenue streams, having a pricing structure that's a little more attractive to um, market and to put out there in the industry. In terms of next steps, so I really would love to hear feedback. Um, Based on that feedback, I'm going to test the model, and then from there, have a pivot or proceed moment. So there's some questions for the class below. Feel free to check those out, and thank you for your time.